good, people? I'm back with another one. Obviously, you've seen this box the most. I'm honestly sick of seeing this box, but we move. This is actually a trainer I don't have. Um, a nice summer colorway, let's say. Um, I actually don't know if I like them. I have to see them in person. I don't really know anyone who has them. Not saying that they're exclusive, expensive, whatever. Before I get into it, I'm just gonna say it now. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The most important bits. Um, Leave a thumbs up too. Those are important, so that more people can see my video. I need this million views, million subscriber stuff. But yeah, let's get into it, people, man. Of course, the best bit. Pull for sport. Yes, we love that. It's definitely got. Let me just get rid of this. Throw that out. So you can pause the video and guess. Actually, no, I'm saying this, but I'm gonna have it in the title. I'm a smart guy, innit? Okay. The Air Max 2090. White wolf grey. UK 10, US 11, women's sizes. I don't know why it's different, because look, it says centimeters is different. So how can that be different length for different genders? That's mad. So yep, Air Max 2090. I don't have a pair of these, so I want to see what they look like in person. All white, basically. Ooh, ooh, these are clean. Ooh, these are clean. They are very clean. I want to see how these look on person. On person, on foot. So we've got the air bubble. We've got the little rigid bit. It says air there. Well, don't know what that is. It's got a bit of a see-through material, so you can see. I can stick my finger through there. Yeah, the whole thing is kind of see-through. So what if I put something like paper in there, or card or something? I can change the color. That's interesting. I don't know what that is. Normal sole. It's got a little. This. Oh, it says. Oh, it does. It does. So you can't really see that. If you look at it like this, it looks a bit plain. But if you turn it, it actually says air and a Nike tick. I like it. I don't like it. It should be like the Air Max 90, just on the top. I want to see this outside. Nike, change that, please. It's got a nice little pull tab to put them on. The Pumas have these as well. It's quite like the Puma. I don't know if they stole that design or not. Inside, no Nike tick, quite plain. It's whatever. Same. It's a bit of a, I don't know what to call this material. And that, oh, I don't know if I like that or not. It's got little lace loops. It's got this. First time I've seen one of those. It's quite different. It's very different. Like, I'm shocked because it's the first time I'm seeing it. So it's got the little Nike tick there. So the sole, Air Max. It's got the, I believe air bubble like the 270. Oh, I don't know. I like the way they've changed the logo. It was a bit let's say could have been offending to a certain group of people. And if you know about that, then you know. I don't really want to yes or no confirm or deny those rumors, because obviously I can get in trouble by Nike for saying that they intentionally did that or didn't. But I like the way they've changed it. They've kind of upgraded it. Simple Nike tick. I like these, but do I like these? I don't know. Let me just quickly go. So it's got a grey insole. I like that. I always prefer a different color like insole, just because if it's white it gets dirty quick. So it says 2090. This is my first time actually having this shoe in hand, and it's actually my first time knowing about anything about it. So whatever I've said is everything I've known. Overall, I'm not sure. They could have done bits better. This thing, I'm not really a fan of, if I'm honest. I think it's a bit cheap, whatever. I do like the quality and the rest of it. I just don't really like this bit. If this was like a leather all around, I would be happy with the leather personally, because I like leather trainers. I do understand they'd wanted to make a kind of a running shoe or whatever. This I don't like either. That is very that's easily gonna peel off, or I hope it doesn't. Nike do offer money back, so I have had problems in the past with trainers. After wearing them for a while, I've had to return them to Nike for a full refund. After speaking to a online chat person, because they've become defective over time. If you didn't know that, you have 2 years from the buy date. If you buy them from Nike.com, I believe, you can contact them and explain to them that you want a so for example, say the bubble pops in 2 years, you can explain to them, okay, so the bubble popped and I'd like a refund, please. Or they'll sort out a refund, they'll tell you to ship them back, they will recycle them, and that's that. I don't know how I've managed to actually talk about these trainers for that long. I'd like everyone to kind of leave some comments if you like them, what you think, if you'd wear them. I definitely need to see these on foot. I do definitely need to try them on, because maybe my opinion will change. It is a very nice trainer, just certain things I'm not too happy about, such as this. But yes, I do definitely need to see this in person. I keep saying that, and I don't like editing videos. I need to see this on foot. If I see this on foot with maybe a tracksuit or something, I'm going to try this on just after the video. Then my opinion will change. Also, I need to see how comfortable they are, because I did buy these for the summertime. So all white. It does say grey. I do get where they said a bit of grey. I would have been more happier if this was, as I stated, leather, nice thick, stitched in. That would have been 100 times better, let's say. But I don't want to take up any more of your time. Tell me what you think, people. Leave a comment. Would you buy these? Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And back they go. Take care, people.